How to log out WhatsApp if you forgot logged in any laptop or computer. Yes, you are listening right because it's very important to us because our WhatsApp is kind of our personal details, personal data, personal chats, personal photos, personal everything. What you can do if you forgot to log out from any laptop or computer your WhatsApp. Yes, you are listening right. How you can log out WhatsApp from laptop or computer? Anytime it happens that we log into any laptop or computer and forgot to log out, then we start thinking that, oh, we forgot about it. We can't go to that laptop or computer again for logout. Then we can do it from our mobile phone. You don't have to worry about anything because today you are with Gogi, Mr. Gogi. Welcome to How to Do It. And today we're gonna talk about that how we can log it out. Yes, as you can check out in front of you. First of all, you have to open your WhatsApp app and go to the option that is double dot, three dots over there on the right side. And after that, click on linked devices. When you click on linked devices, you will see many options over there, that browsers or any kind of this. If you don't see browsers or over there, and if you see just a link a device, that means you are already logged out from everywhere. If you see any browser over there, click on that and click on logout. And as you can check out in front of you, I am doing it on my laptop or computer and it's worked. Voila, that's great. Yeah, Kamyabi. Yes, we got. So that's the way how you can easily log out from your mobile, from laptop or computer. I mean WhatsApp, log out from laptop or computer. That's the way how you can do so. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to comment down below. We helped you or not. Share your with family and friends so that they can save their lives. Like, share, subscribe.